Hello everyone, I am Rakshitha from Interface College of Computer Applications. Today I am here about to explain on the topic of computer memory and its types. Computer memory. A memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. The memory is divided into large number of small units called cells. Computer memory is a storage space in the computer where data is to be processed and instructions required by processing are stored. Next. There are three types in computer memory, namely cache memory, primary memory, secondary memory. First, cache memory. Cache memory is very high speed semiconductor memory which can speed up the CPU. It acts as a buffer between the CPU and the main memory. Advantages of cache memory are as follows. Cache memory is faster than main memory. It consumes less access of time as compared to main memory. It stores the program that can be executed within a short period of time. It stores data for temporary use. Cache memory advantages are cache memory is faster than main memory. Main memory means primary memory. Cache memory consumes less access of time compared to primary memory. Disadvantages of cache memory are it has limited capacity and it is very expensive. Next, we should move on primary memory. Primary memory is also called as main memory. Primary memory holds only those data and instructions on which the computer is currently working. It has limited capacity and data is lost when power is switched off. It is generally made up of semiconductor devices. Primary memory is directly accessible by CPU. Primary memory is volatile. Accessing data from primary memory is faster. The computer has small primary memory. Primary memory is costlier than secondary memory. Characteristics of main memory. These are semiconductor memories, usually volatile memory. It is working memory of the computer, faster than secondary memories. Yes. Computer cannot run without the primary memory. Next. There are two types in primary memory, namely RAM and ROM. RAM, random access of memory, is a part of computer's main memory, which is directly accessible by CPU. RAM is used to read and write data into it, which is accessed by CPU randomly. RAM is randomly accessed by CPU. RAM is volatile in nature. It means if the power goes off, the stored information will lost. Again, RAM is classified into two types, namely SRAM, DRAM. SRAM is nothing but static RAM and DRAM is nothing but dynamic RAM. SRAM is used primarily to create CPU's speed and sensitive cache. SRAM is not required to be refreshed, which makes it significantly fast. DRAM. DRAM is required to be refreshed consistently. DRAM consists memory cells with paired transistors. Next, ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. The memory from which we can only read but cannot write on it. This type of memory is only non-volatile. The information is stored permanently in such memories during manufacture. A ROM stores such instructions that are required to start a computer. This operation is referred to as bootstrap. ROM chips are not only used in computer but also in other electronic items like washing machine and micro oven. ROM is comparatively cheaper than RAM. ROM is comparatively slow than RAM. Types of ROM: MROM, PROM, EPROM, EEPROM. MROM is masked read-only memory. PROM, programmable read-only memory. EPROM, erasable and programmable read-only memory. EEPROM, electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory. Secondary memory. If we need to store large amount of data or programs permanently, we need a cheaper and permanent memory. Such memory is called secondary memory. Secondary memory is nothing but it is a cheaper and permanent memory to store a large amount of data or programs. Secondary memory devices are used to store large amount of data, audio, video and multimedia files. Characteristics of secondary memory. It is non-volatile. It retains data when power is switched off. It is large capacities to the tune of terabytes. It is cheaper as compared to primary memory. Depending on whether secondary memory device is part of CPU or not. There are two types of secondary memory, fixed and removable. Secondary memory compared to primary memory is slower, cheaper, and it is non-volatile. Types of secondary memory: hard disk drive, DVD drive, pen drive, floppy disk. Thank you.